In today's day and age, it's super important to focus on the digital footprint and reputation that you're leaving for yourself online. When using social media or just technology in general, it's important to make sure that you give yourself just that good overall reputation. Even in person, it's important that we portray ourselves in a positive way so that others think of us in a good way and not a bad one. It's super important to think about when posting certain things on social media and making sure that it is appropriate. One of the most important things is that future employers are sure to look at your social media because it is a very easy way to determine what kind of a person you are. So based off of your social media and the different things that you use on technology, creates an easy footprint into kind of getting a feel for what you might be like as a person. So make sure that it's always positive.